We've had a busy summer with fun activities, and now it's time to get back to work. Well, if you can call it that. The Junkathon in Pine River, Minnesota was going on, so Julie and I headed up north for a morning of junking. Will we strike it good? It may not be gold, but it is treasure to someone. There is so much to pick through, it is hard to decide what to bring home. Creating for Christmas was on our minds, and obviously so was the movie Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer as we acted out the parts of Yukon Cornelius and Herbie the Dentist. Hello!
Good morning.
So we are here at the Junkathon in Pine River, and we are looking for some junk to sell on the website and to recreate and upcycle, so we'll see what we find. Alright, we're going to show you what we found at the Junkathon. So I'll go first. Maybe we'll take turns. But so I found this, I think it's the top of a barrel. I'm not sure. If anyone knows what it is, let me know. I found one of these, I don't know, a couple months ago when we went to the Junkathon. Was it like 6 months ago?
May?
May, yeah. So anyways, I turned it into a tray and sold it, so I thought I would do the same thing again.
So pretty.
Yes, so I just clear coat that and just make sure that the rust doesn't come off, and it's a cute little centerpiece tray. So that's that piece. Julie, what did you find?
Oh, I found cowbells. And who doesn't need more cowbells? 3 of them, and they're so cool. They make such a great noise. Reminds me of my childhood.
Yes. So you've made these before.
I did.
You usually like do a transfer on the cowbell or something like that. Let's see what these turn out to be.
Yeah, and give it a good coat so the rust doesn't come off, of course. But yeah, they're just so cool, and these look like they're pretty ancient also.
Cool. And so then next I found a bunch of these little wooden signs that have, these aren't just painted, it's actually engraved or burned in there. So this one says white spruce. A lot of them say white spruce. And I think there's one that says like cedar.
Yeah, red cedar.
Red cedar or something. So I thought it would be maybe cute to do a Christmas tree farm sign or something. So I'll come up with something. I have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, about 10 of them. So we'll see.
Oh.
Yeah.
And there was a thermos laying there, but all the innards were kind of broken up. And I said, oh, there's a lot of glass there. And this nice guy came and he says, I'll get that out for you. He brought it to the garbage can and dumped it all out. Ended up with this tube, but on the inside, and whoever knew that something like that would be in there, there's Peanuts. It has pictures of Snoopy and the Peanuts gang in there.
It's
really
so cool.
weird.
I don't know. I don't know if they can. I don't know if you can see it. Probably not. Well, maybe a little bit there. You see the bird.
Yeah. So I'm not sure if I'll put like fall florals in it or something. I hate to cover up what's inside there now. It's really just super cool fall winter piece.
Cool. So the next one is, well, a brass bell.
Oh, so nice.
I collect brass bells, so this one might not go to the boutique, and it sounds really nice too. So
Angel just got its wings.
yeah, and then I'll go again. I'm a sucker for brass. I love all things brass. So if you watched you probably know that if you watched some of our other shows. This one's kind of, so I found this garbage can here, and I thought it'd be cute in my house since I accent with brass. So that one's for me.
Oh, and then we found great treasure. If you're into trains at all, or if you just think they look cool, I got a bunch of train pieces. We're gonna turn them into Christmas decorations somehow, either with trees, bottle brush trees on the top, or we'll set them up on tracks. And here's a whole load of coal for all the naughty kids in your family. Yeah, so we have train engines and box cars. Look at how cool that one is. Love it. So, and a whole bunch of those.
Those are awesome. A whole bucket full.
A whole bucket with some track. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Yeah. I won't go through them at all. It'll be a surprise.
Maybe we'll do it. We'll probably end up doing a video of how we repurpose the trains.
Yep.
Along those lines, I think these are train lanterns. I don't know. Are they train lanterns?
They sure look like train
I don't know.
lanterns.
If you know what they are, just leave a comment below and let us know. But we think they're cool and they would go along with our train theme for Christmas. So I got 4 of these. And they have they have a red light, so you put a candle in there, and then it will kind of shine the red light through. Very cool.
Yep, 4 of them. Not all exactly the same, but they're pretty close.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
What else did...
Well, let's see. I got... just some miscellaneous metal stuff that I love. Just looked like a cool little tray. Probably attach it to something, raise it up a little bit. Lamp parts I have a sucker for. So we'll figure out how we're going to attach them to anything, but they're just cool looking.
Mm-hmm. Neat, neat. I got a scoop.
Oh, I didn't see the scoop.
You didn't see the scoop?
Oh, cool.
I need to bend it a little bit back, but I don't know. I just thought it was cool. It, people, it looks like it was made out of a can, kind of. And you just cut the can
Awesome.
off. And then I also got a crock, and it's in one piece with no chips, as far as I can see, which is kind of crazy because if you saw that field full of junk, it's kind of crazy that a piece of glass would stay in one piece and survive. But it says Lily, South Dakota, Centennial on it. But what I really love is all the goodness there. It's kind of, I don't know, it's not chippy, but you can see the crackled, aged look on it, which is neat. So, what else?
Well, I got this. It's you probably recognize it as a dustpan, a real old dustpan, but I'm thinking it will hang nicely on the wall. Straighten out the handle of it a little bit, and then I'm going to put maybe pine trees, Christmas trees in there, maybe a little village scene or something like that for Christmas.
Cute. Our minds are on Christmas right now because we have to
it's weird, but
we have to get started. November is a huge month for us, so we need a lot of junk stockpiled and upcycled by then. So, let's see. Is there anything else of mine? Oh, I got these, which are amazing and super heavy. I have 3 of them, so they're just shelf brackets. And honestly, I'm not sure if these are gonna make it to the boutique or not either. This is kind of a trip that I might keep some things for myself, but yeah, we'll just see. So I thought these were really ornate and cool and heavy duty cast iron. They're painted cast iron, so.
Yeah, very pretty.
Yeah.
Well, I keep a few things for myself too, like I'm a sucker for old measuring tapes. Who knows how old they are. But it still works.
Yeah.
You wind it right up. Don't know how long it is. I'm afraid to go all the way out.
Yeah, because then it will be stuck.
Yeah. Couple of funnels for probably Christmas trees.
Oh, cute.
Oh,
I didn't see
like,
that they were 2 different sizes like that.
Looks a little bit like Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer Christmas trees. But... You have anything else?
I do. I have an ice cream chair.
Oh,
Let's see if I can lift it up over my head. We'll be right back. Yeah, I mean, you all know what this looks like, right? You've all seen them. And I just had one in the boutique and it sold, so I thought I'd get another one. This one happens to be purple and it won't stay purple. I'm not a big fan of that color, so I'll paint it up and make it cute.
Although any Vikings fans might be interested in that.
Minnesota Vikings.
Yep.
Oh.
I bought this, well, a ladle, a neat old ladle, and it's white, and white for Christmas, I think, and maybe some kind of little scene in there. I could bend it back a little bit and it'd be a neat candle holder. And then I think this used to be a mailbox, I'm not sure.
I love that. That's so cute.
It's really cute, and I think I'm going to keep it nice and rusty, but it would look really good with some fall florals in there. As a matter of fact, there's a fall floral. I think that's all.
Well, did we bring that little chair in?
Oh yes, here.
Yeah. So my daughter came with us, and for coming with us, she got a little cute little find. She got a little height chair. She didn't want to do the video with us, which is fine. But so she'll put her little baby in there. So adorable. So yeah, we had lots of fun and can't wait to get started and recreating and upcycling this stuff. Thank you for watching.
Have a good day.
Yep, bye-bye.
Bye.
Our passion is to create new things from old items. If this is something you enjoy doing or just like to watch, follow our YouTube channel, check out our Facebook page, or shop for upcycled treasures at beautifulsalvage.com. Have a beautiful day.